Hey guys, I wanted to go over the classes and workshops since this will involve the e-commerce component of your site. And here you'll see those classes and workshops. It'll display 5 for each page, and then paginate the other ones so you can toggle through. But each one of these will have a description, a featured photo, and then a price where you can add it to your cart and then view your cart. So I just wanted to show you how you actually do this. So I'm already logged in. Click Edit Page, go directly to that page, set my featured image here, set the text, the fee. Now, what I like to do, this particular page will show you a brief synopsis. I go to classes and workshops of what this class is all about before I actually go to it. And I like to start that off with some body copy, so I have the body copy first and then the bullets, and then I can read more and see those bullets underneath. Anyways, so basically I like to start with some body copy to explain what this class is about before you get into the details. And that's why it's set up that way. Yeah, this is class and workshop. It's the parent. The template is education. And the actual page order is going to be sorted here. And this is how these pages are going to be displayed. You can see the next one, if I go after Silk, Introduction to Surface Design with Silk, is Motherland. Now, Motherland would have 1. It starts with 0. So 0 is going to be first, 1 is second, 2 is third, so forth, etc. So you can change the order with the little order box right there. Of course, I'm going to set, I can revert back to anything here, but down here you're going to see there's product options, because this is the product. Each product will have a different SKU, unique ID, referencing this particular class. So we've done this on date. So it would be class 7/21/2007, which is 2011, excuse me, which is the date of this class. And then I'm just going to put an option for price and put the price in at $70, and then update that, and that's where the little drop box here for $70 comes into play, where I can add it to my cart. So you can do that with each class, and how you see these classes once somebody has actually made a transaction and purchased a class. You can go into your eShop and see your orders, and there should be none right now, but once somebody does, it will state that it's a pending order, and once you receive payment from PayPal, you can select it as fulfilled, shipped, whatever it needs to be. I've got some deleted tests in here so you can kind of see mine here, but basically if I click on the details, it'll give me my invoice, my address, shipping notes, payment method, what I bought, which is a nice little feature to have. You can go ahead and print those off if you need to for tax purposes, whatever. Sort them by date, by company and customer. But the pending ones are going to be the most important. Those are the ones that are going to show up right away. And the eShop, you'll get an overview of all the products you have here. Kind of go to each one, and you'll notice the membership has a couple of different options here. I just created custom fields where that price is. Instead of price, I put individual, family, student ID, donor, each one of these. So yeah, there's a lot of different options here in the eShop. And there's also some eShop settings here where you can select the merchant gateway, which happens to be PayPal. And if you ever need to change that to a different PayPal address, this is where you would do that. But this one should be fine. There's other payment gateways you can select if you want to add Payson, all these different services here. But PayPal will get the job done. So yeah, like I said, there's a lot of settings to mess with, but most of these have already been set, so there's no reason to really adjust them. Yeah, and that is basically the classes. So we've got page order, we've got featured images, and we've got the items. Now, one last thing here, you want to make sure that when you select a page, I'm just going to go back here. When you're creating a class and you've got a price set here, that's fine, but unless you say stock is available, it won't show up. So if I say stock not available, that little screen to buy it will go away. It's bolded, so you make sure you always press that stock is available, otherwise it won't show up. So that's an easy way to get rid of a product as well, or delete the post or page. And that is that.